why do people buy gold? Oh, it's a great inflation hedge. Well, wait a minute. You've lost money with this inflation hedge.
I mean, it actually, maybe not. I mean, it's exactly an inflation hedge because you broke even with inflation.
Well,
So,
yeah.
I mean, but that means if you look at when gold hadn't gone up, 20%, let's say over the year-to-date basis, or I mean, over the last year, it's done phenomenal as well. I mean, that then means that you were not even keeping pace with inflation had you bought it January 1980. And again, this is kind of picking a data point, but you go back 45 years, there is no point in history, I don't think, where you could look at stocks on a particular basis like that and be like, oh, well, actually your return wasn't that good.
Right.
Even if you bought stocks in 2007 before the big pullback, your returns were still better than what it has been in gold.
Yeah.
I mean, it's just something that it just doesn't make any sense to me.
I think gold is something that people just like the feel of. It's such an emotional buy. And again, at our firm, Wilson Asset Management, we say no emotions, just results. But gold is bought on emotions. It's bought on fear. It's bought on inflation, which we just proved doesn't really work very well. And you've got to time it. And there's no way to know. It's only based on what the next person will pay for it. And yeah, it's up now because of fear, but that could disappear very quickly. And all of a sudden, here you are again with no gains on gold. And this is why investors are such poor investors, as they chase returns. I think you said gold's up, 20% year to date? Wow, I better get some gold because it's going to keep going higher. That is not how you invest. You invest based on value. And with gold, I mean, what is the value? There's no earnings, there's no rent, there's nothing to it.
Yeah, I mean, there's nothing. So, I mean, it's a big concern. And then also, you're looking at just the price of it right now is what we're looking at. It doesn't even add the fact that there's additional expenses for trading and holding gold. Much more expensive than if you buy and hold good quality stocks or companies. Gold, far more expensive. So, it doesn't make sense. I think it's a silly kind of tool that people sell as an asset allocation model. And I'd rather just buy good quality businesses for the long term. Gold, to me, it's too hard to value. I mean, it's like, oh, well, the central banks could be buying gold, so that's why you should buy gold now. And it's like, that's a guessing game.
Yeah.
I mean, even if, let's say, you're right and the central banks will start buying gold, what is the target sell price based off of that? You can't actually derive a fundamental value of what gold is worth. And that's why it's, I'm going to say, impossible to hold.